Another day. Right. Yeah, I just realised the brand on this. Another day. Holy hell.
Hello there YouTube and welcome back. It is your boy Kuzzen Feral and I'm back again today with Airsoft. Yes, I'm saying Airsoft because I have this bag here. This is from Extreme Airsoft. This is their £30 mystery box, which I thought I'd check out because a lot of people in the comments on my BB Guns for Less videos were saying to check out Extreme Airsoft. This is the £30 one. I actually have the £50 on its way. £50 one, 50. I gotta flip the camera. I think I gotta flip the camera. I don't know. I'll check it out in post. As I'm getting better at now. You may not see this, but soon it will be. I don't know. Depends when it comes out. Anyway, remember to hit up those social media links you can find in the description below. DEKUZZEN for Instagram and DanielKUZZEN-FF for Facebook. Please, if you do like my content, like, comment, subscribe. Even if you don't like my content, comment anyway. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me that I'm saying the wrong thing here, wrong thing there. Like, people having a go at me saying BB Guns, but I'm buying from BB Guns for Less. But these ones are Airsoft because they're from Extreme Airsoft. You can see where my terminology comes from. Anyway, let's get into this. There you go. Cute. I'm not looking inside, I'm just reaching and grabbing what first comes out. Okay, boom. Wire pool smoke. Oh my god, it's my first ever smoke bomb. Holy hell. Okay, we have a smoke bomb. I'm guessing by the looks of it, it's going to come out red. Cool, I'll put that away somewhere. Let's see what else. A load of bubble wrapping used. Awesome. And boom, we have another wire pool smoke. This one I'm guessing is going to come out orange. Cool. And boom, more wire pool smoke. Oh, that's me. Yeah, another smoke bomb. This time yellow. Never owned so many smoke bombs in my life. Then again, after the first one, I've never owned so many. Boom. And another one, and this one I'm guessing is going to be pink. Look at that. Neat. That's 4. Ooh. Okay. Anti-personnel BBE 6mm launcher. Neat. Single-use twist fire at the bottom launches 300 BBs of 6mm up to a range of 30 meters when the bottom of the launcher is twisted. Wow. Sweet! That's neat. Some of you people are going, no, that's not very impressive. Yeah, you do airsoft. I don't. I do this for fun. I literally get these bags because I want the mystery. So, let's see what else we've got in here. What's this thing on? Ooh. Mark 5 Thunder Flash. That's a flash. I got a flash grenade. That is awesome. Cool. Never owned one of those before. This is a brand new experience for me. Boom. And we've got another one. Okay. This one I'm enjoying. What's this one? Boom. Wire pool smoke, and this one bluey purple by the looks of it. Why not move my little side bit? Okay, we have another BB launcher. Okay. And I'm gonna need to find somewhere to release these one time. Boom. And we have another flash. Okay. Boom. And one more wire pool smoke. This one looks like it's yellow. I just made a label. Hey! Hey, we've got a green one. Neat. That's cool. Anything else in here? All the way. I guess there's a delivery note. Yep. Okay, let's. Wow. So we have 2 BB gun launchers. We have 3 flash grenade sticks. And 2, 4, 6, 7 smokes. Ooh, Enola Gay. Yeah, I just realised the brand on these. Enola Gay. Holy hell. Wow. So, just historically, Enola Gay is really important. Yeah, the Enola Gay, if memory serves me correctly, dropped one of the atomic bombs. I think the first one, I think it was Fat Man on Nagasaki. I could have my exact facts the wrong way round on that one, but it dropped either Fat Man or Little Boy on Hiroshima or Nagasaki. That much I do know. So, hey, that was cool. Nice little, reasonably short video. Please keep an eye out for more content coming up. Like I say, if you do like what I do, leave a comment down in the section, like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It means the world to me. If you want to take the mick out of me for whatever, go ahead, be my guest. Thanks for the views and the comment. Yay! Remember, check out social media, DEKUZZEN for Instagram, and Facebook is Daniel KUZZEN-FF. Hit me up on there. You get to see what I get up to a little bit outside of what you see here. Whole load of fun. Any videos that I'm appearing elsewhere, you'll see on that as well. For example, I did a Q&A session with Owl's Arachnids for his tarantula tails. Please check that out. That was a fun video to record, and even better to watch back. Please check that out. Thank you for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure for doing this today. I am your boy, Kuzzen Feral Ferret, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Toodaloo. Ciao. Au revoir. Bye bye. Ciao.